Oh my, okay, oh my God, oh my God. Yeah, not lying, not joking, not kidding. Obviously, as soon as I stopped recording, he just flew up there. He's with his friends, I swear to God. Right where you see those pigeons. He's not one of those three, but I just watched him fly, you know, from right where right that, remember that little dot that was right there. He finally went up, he made it up there. And I'm not, actually I think, see that, I think that's him. Okay, you want to see him one last time? It's a little hard to see. Oh, he's walking up the side. He's the one who's walking up the roof. He's on the roof line, the ridge cap. Oh. Yep, that's him. He's chilling with his buddies. So finally, yeah. I wish I'd recorded when he flew over, but he flew over, yeah, because we were watching him for a moment. But yeah, there's the final update. So yes, he's 100% all set. God bless America.